I'd been looking for some furniture to add a small seating area to my front porch. And as we've previously established, I'm cheap. So I checked out my local Habitat for Humanity restore and found these old office chairs for $10 a piece. They weren't exactly the color I liked, but I was kind of fond of the shape. Plus they had nice padded full spring seats and it made them pretty comfortable to sit in. I also had this old table that I got from the restore a couple of years ago, which has just been sitting in my garage waiting for me to do something with it. So I decided to do a little experiment and see if I could paint the chairs. The metal finish was pretty scarred and rusted in spots, but I wanted to keep it in that kind of metal finish. So I hit them with a coat of chrome spray paint. The main body of the chair was vinyl, and I wasn't sure how regular spray paint would work, or if it would work at all. I ordered some spray paint that said it was specifically for painting vinyl car seats, but it still has yet to arrive and I'm impatient. So I decided to use a spray paint that said it would adhere to any material. And it seemed to work, at first. After drying for 24 hours it was still sticky and it would rub off, so I added 3 coats of spray-on polyacrylic and this seemed to do the trick. For the table, I painted it a bright blue to match an outdoor rug that I was planning to use. I also had these scrap pieces of tile that I got at the restore. There wasn't enough of the gray subway tile to do the entire surface, and the pattern pieces were just scrap cutoffs, but I got the idea to make a sort of mosaic top. I used my trusty hammer to break up the pattern pieces, of course while adhering to all safety measures. Then I made a border with the subway tile and filled in the rest with the broken mosaic pieces. And here's the final product.